The Allure of the Seas is a marvel of modern engineering and design. As one of the largest cruise ships in the world, it offers a truly unparalleled vacation experience for its passengers. The ship, which was built by Royal Caribbean International and first set sail in 2010, is over 1,187 feet long and can carry up to 5,400 passengers. The Allure of the Seas offers a wide variety of activities to its guests, from luxurious staterooms to exciting entertainment and dining options. One of the most impressive features of the ship is its impressive array of onboard activities. The Allure of the Seas boasts a massive water park, complete with multiple water slides, a lazy river, and a surf simulator. The ship also has a full-sized ice skating rink, a rock climbing wall, and a miniature golf course. In addition to these active options, the ship also has a full-service spa and fitness center, as well as a variety of lounges and bars for guests to relax in. The Allure of the Seas also offers a diverse selection of dining options, with over 20 different restaurants on board. From fine dining to casual eateries, there is something to suit every taste and dietary preference. The Allure of the Seas also has a fantastic selection of entertainment options for its guests. From Broadway-style shows to music and comedy performances, there is always something happening on the ship. The ship also has a casino and a variety of nightclubs for guests to enjoy. One of the most impressive things about the Allure of the Seas is its size and scale. It is hard to comprehend the sheer size of the ship until you see it in person. The Allure of the Seas truly feels like a floating city, with a wide variety of activities, amenities and attractions. It is a destination in and of itself, offering its guests the opportunity to experience a unique and exciting vacation. The Allure of the Seas is not just an escape from the everyday, but also a journey of discovery and excitement. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation or both, the Allure of the Seas offers something for everyone, and it is a cruise ship worth experiencing.